Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir.
Introduce yourself.
Okay. Good evening, sir. First of all, thank you for this opportunity. My name is Devesh Bharti. I am basically from Munger, Bihar. I did my diploma in 2021 and currently I am pursuing the BIM internship at Gurukul at Unique Civil based on Pune by under the guidance of Akash Pandey sir. In this internship course, I learned about AutoCAD, Revit, structure, architecture, and I learned all the floor all the planning section, elevation, 3D modeling in Revit architecture, and structure designing also in Revit structure. And I made the families of all the discipline like architecture, structure, and I made some models like residential bungalow, uh, apartment, and tower, and warehouse and structure, Revit architecture, etc. And my short-term goal is to get placed in some BIM organization, and my long-term goal is to get at the higher level post like manager or coordinator in upcoming years with experience. Thank you.
Okay. No, thank you. You can say that's brief about myself. Thank you. And what are the skills you
Okay.
have related to BIM? What are the skills you have related to BIM?
I have the skills like uh, I have the skills of BIM like Revit structure. I can run Revit structure, Revit architecture, Revit MEP, and also some basic concepts of Tekla, how to design in Tekla like column placement, beam placement, how to place the grid and footing, and also the slab on the floor.
Okay. What is the use of Revit structure software and what are the things you can do in Revit structure?
In Revit structure, we can design the structural buildings like the help of a structure column like RCC column maybe or RCC beam, RCC slab, and also we can design with use of steel column and steel beam. In like in the warehouse, we design the with the help of a structure column and structure beam and connecting to the bolts and suitable connections we are provided like welded, butt joint, etc.
Okay. We can't do design. We can do 3D detailings. In Revit structure, we
Detailing.
can't do design. डिज़ाइन नहीं करते हैं. डिज़ाइन एक डिफरेंट थिंग हो गई. डिज़ाइन मीन्स होता है जो हम लोग स्ट्रक्चर डिज़ाइन करते हैं, ठीक है, या फिर जो आर्किटेक्चर डिज़ाइन करेंगे. डिज़ाइन यहाँ पर नहीं. यहाँ पर हमें चीज़ करना है रेवी स्ट्रक्चर में 3D डिटेलिंग्स. वी डू 3D डिटेलिंग्स ऑफ shear wall, retaining wall, whatever you said, that is 3D detailings. Clear? Same thing we do in Tekla also. Okay.
Okay.
What is the use of crank bar in beam or in slab?
Rank bar is basically provided for the to separate the tension zone. Like in slab, we have two zone, like tension zone and compression zone. Tension zone is basically acted on the center of the slab, and compression is the boundary of the slab, means room slab. The crank bar is basically provide to improve the strength of the uh, to bear the tensile load better,
What is
and
column?
it is basically used L by 4 and L by 3 is the formula which is used for the deciding the crank length of the bar.
Where we use L by 3, where we use L by 4?
L by 4 is basically used where the room size is small, and when we have to design in a large slab like uh, about a big area, we provide basically used L by 3 because that when we use L by 3 formula, that means the cutting length of the crank bar is more. And when we use L by 4 formula, the cutting length of bar is less.
L by 3 we use for the simply supported, L by 4 we use for the continuous sections like continuous beam, continuous slab, whatever. Okay, what is column? What are the different types of column?
Column is basically a compression member which provide to bear the compressive load of slab and transfer to the footing. And the types of column, not remember, sorry sir.
Okay, no stop. How many lectures you watch in in Tekla?
I like watch 2 lectures.
Very good. Thank you so much, Divesh. This was nice talk with you.
Thank you sir.
Okay, ji. Now Mr. Rohit Kadam ji. After Rohit Kadam, we will come with Mr. Manish Kumar and then Manish, then Raj. Mr. Rohit, ready?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Rohit, you pass out year
Sir, 2024.
24. What do you learn from your college?
Sir, I learn subjects like estimating and costing, wastewater engineering, and quantity survey, contract and tenders, and public health engineering. This subject I learn, and MOS, TOS, sound.
So these are the things you can learn from the YouTube. What is the need of college?
Because they teach us how the concept works, how to calculate each and everything, like calculating the quantity of concrete, uh, preparing mixed proportion of concrete, uh, gaining getting knowledge of various things which we are unaware.
So I think you can hire private tuitions or like coachings. They can offer you the same services. Then what is the benefit of college that I want to know?
Sir, they teach us discipline. We have to uh, uh, get up early in the morning and do things systematically. Do the lectures, each and every lectures completely and in regular manner, and uh, attend the practicals.
We learn from there how to handle the pressure कॉलेज टाइम पर, है ना, ये लर्निंग है. ओके, गूगल इज़ नॉट लर्निंग, क्योंकि लर्निंग तो वहाँ मिल ही रही है ना. सो यू कैन से कि there are two types of learning we get from the college. One is related to soft skill, one is related to technical skills. In technical skills I learn different types of subjects, like explain कर दो जो subjects तुमने बोला. In soft skill I learn how to handle the pressures, how to do the team works in the hostel, और अगर तुम individually college में थे तो as an CR, as an cricket player, as an organizer, so how to handle the teams you learn from there. How to handle the pressures, how to how to face the problems, how to present yourself, we learn from the college project how to present yourself, how to talk with others. ठीक है, that several things I learn from the college. ये मेन लर्निंग है कॉलेज की.
Yes, sir.
ये बहुत important. Okay, what are the subjects you learn in your final semester in college?
Sir, in final semester, I have learned about QSCT, then QSCT, TQM and MS, and sir,
What was your project in college?
sir, my project was based on self-healing concrete by using chemical admixture.
Self-healing concrete. Okay, what is the name of that chemical admixtures?
Sir, the name was Psychocrystacil, and we have used a biological bacteria known as Bacillus.
Explain any practical approach for the your project.
Sir, practical approach. Sir, we have prepared blocks of concrete by using chemical admixture and by using bacillus bacteria, in which we have prepared concrete cubes of 15 by 15 by 15 centimeter. We have done curing, and after that we have tested on compressive testing machine. After that we have developed cracks by applying load gradually, and then after that we have kept the samples in water for healing, and one in the exposed air for healing. And after that we saw that th- we have uh, developed casted three cubes and the third cube was casted with both the admixture, and we have seen that the cube which has been casted by both the admixture, that cube has been healed up to some extent.
Okay. What's your hobby, Mr. Rohit?
Sir, my hobby is I like to explore about cars.
About
Cars.
cars. Okay. Your favorite car name?
Sir, G-Wagon.
G-Wagon. What is the height of G-Wagon?
Sir, G-Wagon is almost 2 to 2.5 meter.
2 to 2.5 meters.
meter.
Means approx 6 to 7 feet approx, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you want to make your career in BIM?
Sir, because I'm interested, because I like to create 3D models, and I like to whenever I make 3D models, and I like to explore more new designs, and it makes me more self-motivated. So that's all.
Also, selling expectations.
Sir, as per industry norms.
I just want in numbers.
Sir, just like I am as a fresher, and currently my salary is 3 lakh, so I am negotiable with 3 lakh.
Suppose I'll offer you 3.5 lakh. Next month you get the new opportunities and your package would be 4 lakhs. What will be your steps and why?
Sir, first thing is I have approached you, and you have given me the chance, so I will not go for the 4 lakh package.
Why?
Because you have given me the chance for the job role,
They are offering the same job role offer, no?
but you have given me the first priority. So
First priority was not you, maybe others, but they are not join us. That's why I'll hire you. इसको आंसर कैसे करोगे, कैसे टेकल करोगे? Sir, money is not only the factors. If I switch in 1 month, it is not good for my resume for my upcoming years. I'm this industry for the long years, so I just want to build my strong portfolio, a strong resume. For that, at least I need to stay a long duration jobs in BIMs. If I left a job in 1 or 2 months, it is not good for my upcoming years, upcoming futures in BIM. इस तरह से समझ सकते हैं, ठीक है?
okay, sir.
क्योंकि ऑनेस्ट तो स्वाभाविक सी बात है, कोई भी छोड़ेगा नहीं, चला जाएगा, है ना? क्या रोकेगा? ये रोक सकता है, ठीक है? अगर तुम बोलते हो कि फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी दिया था इन्होंने, तो बोलेगा ठीक है, तुम्हारा कितने में तुम बोल रहे हो 3.5 नहीं, चलो हम तुमको 5 देंगे, तुम बोलोगे अब तो हो गया, फर्स्ट प्रायोरिटी छोड़ो, 5 लाख मिल रहा है, चलो निकलते हैं, ठीक है? 5 में नहीं जाओगे, चलो हम तुमको 7 लाख देते हैं, अब तो छोड़ो यार, ये 3.5 लाख कहाँ 7 लाख, छूट गया ना? बट ये जो रिज्यूम का पावर है, ये वर्ड हमेशा सेम रहेगा भाई। स्वाभाविक सी बात है, 1 महीने में छोड़ रहे हो, क्या बोलोगे नेक्स्ट कंपनी को, है ना? ओके जी, थैंक यू सो मच रोहित, दिस वाज नाइस टॉक विद यू।
ओके सर। सर, एक पूछना था
बिल्कुल
कि सिविल वाले एमईपी में काम कर सकते हैं क्या?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं जी।
सर, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है?
कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, बस इतना से याद रखिए कि रेविट आर्किटेक्चर, रेविट स्ट्रक्चर का आपका नॉलेज कम नहीं होना चाहिए, जिससे कि कंपनी को फ्यूचर में आप बोल सकें कि मैं तीनों में काम जानता हूँ, या फिर मैंने तीनों में काम किया हुआ है। अगर नॉलेज कम हो
ओके
गया
सर।
तो प्रॉब्लम
हाँ
हो सकती है।
सर, अगर अभी एमईपी में काम किया और वो उसके बाद फिर 5-6 महीने बाद उनको हमने बताया कि मुझे आर्किटेक्चर भी आता है और स्ट्रक्चर भी आता है, तो क्या वो रख सकते हैं हमें?
100% रखते ही हैं,
ओके
हंड्रेड
सर।
परसेंट रखते ही हैं। अभी देखो आपके जो देवयानिक सर हैं, जो आपको भी आप लोगों ने कभी शायद उनका सेशन देखा होगा, या फिर आपका स्कैन टू बीम का सेशन वही लेने वाले हैं। वो सिविल से हैं, आर्किटेक्चर में उन्होंने पूरा काम किया हुआ है, ठीक है। अभी करंट उनके जो प्रोजेक्ट है कंपनी में एमईपी को आ गए हैं, तो उनको एमईपी में डाल दिया है। इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो एमईपी के हो गए हैं, इसका मतलब ये प्रोजेक्ट मिला है तो उनको चांस मिला है कि आप एमईपी में वर्क करिए, क्योंकि आप ऑलरेडी इसमें कर रहे थे, उसमें अभी ज़रूरत नहीं है। ऐसे सिचुएशन बनती है, कर सकते हो,
ओके सर।
ठीक है। बट
थैंक
प्रोफाइल
यू सर।
मायने रखता है, प्रोफाइल प्रोफाइल बीम मॉडलर होना चाहिए, याद रखना, या फिर बीम इंजीनियर।
ओके सर।
ओके जी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज मिस्टर मनीष कुमार।
Hello.
हेलो, यस मिस्टर मनीष कुमार। मनीष
Yes.
कुमार, हु इज नीतीश कुमार?
Nitish Kumar. Sir, I don't know.
ओके। मिस्टर मनीष, टेल मी समथिंग अबाउट योरसेल्फ which should not mention in your resume.
Uh, which is not, sir. It is about my interest. The things which I like to do is like I like to go gym and I like to taekwondo and karate. I like these things, and I like to watch web series. These are the things which are not mentioned in my resume.
Okay. You pass out here, Mr. Manish.
2024.
What was your project in college?
Sir, actually there was no project. I'm a diploma student, so there was no project.
In your curriculum, there is no project?
No, sir, there was no project.
Okay. What are the different subjects in your final semester?
Sir, in final semester there was steel and then highway, and there were two subjects which were related to repair and maintenance of the building.
Okay. Do you have any plan to do your to continue your studies in upcoming years?
Sir, I will continue, but it would be like side by side with my job.
So that is my loss if I'll hire you, and if your focus will be in the college or semesters, how can you give your 100% in your job?
Sir, my main focus would be job, but I will still focus on my higher studies, which would at the end help me to grow my career only.
But for my company, there is a loss, no?
Yes, sir.
Then why should I'll continue with you? इसको ऐसे बोल सकते हो कि no sir, I don't have a such plan for now, but I don't know about futures.
Okay, sir.
As such, I don't have any plan because I need to be get the stabilities in my career first. I don't know about the futures.
Okay.
I don't have such plan right now. प्लान नहीं बताना, अगर है तो भी नहीं बताना है। क्यों? क्योंकि किसी को भी बताओगे ना तो वो अगर कहीं बिजी है तो सही से कैसे काम करेगा, है ना? मेरे
Yes.
पास एक बच्चा है and he said कि I'm just looking for the job and he was very close to me, but I said okay, I'll offer you that job. I was just trying to check which type of person he is. After a few days, I just called and I said कि just come for the meetings and then we'll decide कि I'll in you or not. He just said कि sir, I am busy in this work. Actually, at part time I'll do this also. I just want to do your work with this job. When he just said with this job, I said okay, thank you. Actually, meeting is cancelled. That means everyone want dedicated employee.
Yes.
समझ गए? तो इसलिए कॉलेज को कोई भी इंसान, सभी लोग याद रखिएगा, डेडिकेटेड एम्प्लॉय को पढ़ने के लिए बहुत अच्छी कंपनी होगी तो अलग बात है। वन ऑफ माई सिस्टर्स गेट द अपॉर्चुनिटीज टू गेट द PhD from the IITs in last week, and companies paid the all amount for the fee of hostels, IT hostels, and college fees and everything. But company's agreement is you need to be continued 2 years after completing the PhD with us only. मीन्स कोई भी बिना अपने प्रॉफिट के आपको कंटिन्यू नहीं करने देगा फॉर द स्टडीज. गॉट इट मनीष?
Yes, sir.
ओके मनीष, हाउ लॉन्ग यू विल स्टे इन योर कंपनी मिस्टर मनीष?
Sir, I would like to stay as long as I can see my growth in the company.
What is COBI?
What is COBI? Sir, COBI is a data format which gives us information about the building assets in a data sheet format, like in Excel.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच मनीष, वेरी गुड, कीप कंटिन्यू. इन धीरे धीरे छोटे छोटे ये 4 क्वेश्चंस को फेस करना स्टार्ट करो. अप्लाई कर रहे हो कि नहीं कर रहे हो? अप्लाई
Yes, sir. Apply कर रहा हूँ, sir.
ओके, गुड. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज as per the comment, Mr. Fanish Kumar, then Raj, then Suvankar. Mr. Fanish, right now looking for the job, or you just want to do the job in upcoming months, not now?
Sir, I don't want. I'm not looking for the job now.
You want to stay in your current company, right?
Sure, sir. Yes, sir.
From how long you are here in this company?
Approx 1.3 years.
1.3 years you are here, and how long you need to stay here only?
At least I should complete 1.5.
1.5 means after 2 months you're looking for the job.
Yeah.
Okay.
After completion of my project portfolio.
After completion of portfolio, and after 1.5 years you want to be left here.
Sure.
Suppose you got the 2 opportunities. One opportunity is as an structure engineer, and your salary is 80,000. One more opportunity you get in the beam industries, and your salary is 60,000. Which one you want to choose and why?
Sir, I have a keen interest in BIM. So I will go to BIM because I have my structural engineering. I have a low knowledge about it. So BIM is suitable for me.
In my company there is a one project we get. That project you need to do in the inventor softwares, but as per my knowledge you don't know the inventor software.
Yes, sir. I don't know.
Suppose I hire you for now. I want to give you the beam jobs in upcoming months, but right now you need to be stay in the inventor for at least 2 to 3 months. Are you compatible with us to continue with the inventor software, which is not related to your domain?
No, sir. I want to go with proper BIM. I don't want to waste my 2 months.
Okay, means you just focus on the beam only. You don't want to get any extra things, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the use of Tekla software as per your knowledge?
Sir, Tekla software is a 3D detailing software in which we can create precast drawings and steel structure drawings. It is the trending software which is used for 3D detailing.
What do you mean by GA drawing?
GA drawing is general drawings which are used for completion of a 3D model.
What do you mean master plan?
Master plan is the plan which is consist of all the drawings which is shared on the site for the project completion.
For the project completions, okay. And what do you mean shop drawing?
I don't know. Sir.
What are the different file formats in Revit?
So RVT, RFA, RTE, and RTF.
Okay. Always try to use dot. Okay. Thank you so much, Fanish. फनिश कोशिश करो थोड़ा सा ना जो स्ट्रक्चरल टर्म्स मैंने लास्ट में बोला था ना उसको और स्ट्रॉन्ग करोगे तो बेनिफिट मिलेगा. ठीक है, वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट इज पर योर कमेंट गाइस, मिस्टर शुभांकर श्रीवास्तव. नो, मिस्टर राज देन शुभंकर, बाकी लोग
Yes,
कमेंट
sir.
कर
Good
सकते
evening, sir.
हैं. गुड इवनिंग मिस्टर राज. मिस्टर राज, you complete your that portfolio from start to end.
Uh, yes, sir. Some decorative work are left, and I'm adding some structure and some modeling project. I'm working on project.
Okay. And right now in which city you are?
Sir, currently, as far in my sir hometown, sir, Daddy Dairy on town.
Delhi.
Yes, sir, Dairy.
And if you got the opportunities in Gurgaon, so are you comfortable for that?
Yes, sir. I'm comfortable with.
And for the Mumbai?
Yes, sir. Uh, at any place, I'm comfortable with it. For changing my, I can change my location.
Okay. So you are open with the locations criterias, right?
Yes, sir.
Are you open for the bonds also?
Sir, first I will read the term and condition, then I will go for it.
Okay, ji. Uh, and do you flexible for learning the different other softwares also rather than Revit?
Um, yes, sir. I can learn the other softwares.
Okay, because in my company we use the Impact Revit. So we are looking for the persons who is good in the Impact Revit that is similar as Revit, but you need to explain many other things also in that. So are you comfortable for that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And in Revit, what are the different types of ceilings we can draw?
Uh, sorry, sir. I don't know, sir.
Okay. And what are the different types of roof we can draw in Revit?
Uh, there is a flat roof, slope roof, uh, and it's
Where is flat roof, slope roof? In Revit, I'm talking. Types of mirror, oh sorry, types of array in Revit.
sir, I have used this tool, but I am not sir, remembering the names. Sir.
That's I want. I just want to be confuse you, so that you can give wrong answers. Okay. What's your salary expectation, Mr. Raj?
Sir, my first priority is to get in a BIM industry. As per the industry norm, I am comfortable with it.
Okay. I'm looking for the candidate who has at least 1 year experience, but you don't have a 1 year experience, so what should we go with you?
Sir, I have created many projects like scan to BIM project and 3D models, uh, uh, 3D models and some structural models, and I also done MP models. And I have 6 months of experience as a BIM intern, so you can you hire me.
Okay. थैंक यू
Yes,
सो
sir.
मच. थैंक यू सो मच राज. दिस वाज नाइस टू टॉक विथ यू. रेविट को रिवाइज करो. भूल रहे हो रेविट को.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
रिवाइज करते रहो. आप ऐसा ना ऐसे कैसे के एक बार ऐसे रिकॉल कर लिया करो नोट्स के थ्रू. इजी होगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ओके जी. हाँ जी, आप हॉस्पिटल जाने वाले हैं, सो डेफिनेटली मिस्टर रहमान यू कैन ऑन योर माइक प्लीज.
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग जी. यू गोइंग फॉर योर ओन और फॉर समवन एल्स, मिस्टर रहमान?
No, sir, someone else is there because here is a communication for uh, communication for the traveling. We use the car only, so we go with friends.
Okay, so means by car. Right now you in Saudi, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, So your appointment time is?
Appointment is 9, but there is so too much traffic, so we need to reach at 9. The time is 9 to 11. I have a training of driving, so here is training time in night. So 2 days of training, today or tomorrow I have a training of driving. So the time is 9 to 11.
So basically join the training school for the driving, right?
Yes, here is the system is if you want to license, you make the training first.
That system is in India also right now.
Yes.
The same is here, but not in all states. I'm talking about the Maharashtra state. Okay, because I got the license from there only. So, uh, Mr. Rahman, how many lectures you watched in Tekla?
Tikla, sir, 2 lectures.
And you install that software?
Yes, sir, I installed the software. But I have an issue in the company. They tell, please don't use this software in the company because we faced one issue before we used the crack. So the company make the penalty for the company $4,000. They track the location and they tell this this the tower is name. You are working in this software in the tower, so that they tell don't use the software in the company.
Yes, definitely. So, in company and company server, we don't use that.
Yes, yeah. Actually, sir, we are using company servers so that these big issues.
For the home also.
No, no, no. In the company only.
So why you want to open do in company?
I just open for
Okay,
like
for
this.
your
So
knowledge. Okay, okay.
yes,
So
yes.
no, don't take risk. Just explain them. Otherwise, if you want, you can open your younger brothers' IDs, because you can use any ID for that. And the second thing, try to
Sir,
use a one.
I already sign in with my personal email.
Yes.
Is there any problem?
No, 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 no,
Because the
no problem.
mm,
If you are showing you a student, okay,
yes,
the
yes.
problem is with the Trimble, because Trimble's companies, many agents know me very well. Okay, they know कि I'm an educator. But if I'll do the license in every alternate days, I got the call from the Autodesk, from the Trimbles, and there are other software like Bentley. I got the call from them. Okay, but I just clearly explain them. Okay, I'll do the project, I'll pay for that. Okay, I'm not doing that. Okay, so clearly you can say like this. And the second things, don't use your uh, company's Wi-Fi, because yes, this is risky. Once my company got suffered with the same problem, they got the penalty of 2 CRs, and the mistake was from our team only. So that was the hectic for our team. So the Autodesk company give the penalties of the 2 CRs for a company. Now can think ki how much got the loss from that small work. ठीक है, we just do the same thing. So actually we just try to do the process. So ऐसा नहीं करना है basically. Okay, now Mr. Rahman,
Okay,
let's
sir.
come to the point. And can you just explain us what is the use of recap software in Scan to Beam?
Recap software, sir. This is a laser scanning software. We get the information from the client. So from the recap software, we can extract, import the data in our Revit for the modeling, and we can digitize the model as per on the on the field.
Difference between .rcp and .rcs file format.
RCP file is we are working in the RCP file, and RCS file is for presentation only.
What is your massing and side concept in Revit?
Massing and sign concept, sir. This is an uh,
What is building pad?
building
Pad.
building pad. Sorry, sir, for
Different. What are the different types of foundations?
foundations, pile foundation, and there are so many foundations. Due to too much work, I am not giving work to learning.
Okay, because the most important is shallow and deep. So
సరే అండి.
between that there are different types of foundations. Okay, and what's your goal, Mr. Rahman?
My goal is, sir, I work in a multinational company as a project manager or as a beam manager.
Okay, थैंक यू सो मच रहमान। जाइए, आपको थोड़ा जल्दी भी है, एंड थोड़ा सा फोकस करिए ना कि अपना जो पुराना है उसको रिवीजन करते रहिए। यही प्रॉब्लम होती है लोगों के साथ कि जब हम टेक्ला सीखते हैं तो रेविट बोलता है, और जब नेविस्वर सीखते हैं तो टेक्ला और रेविट भूल जाता है। इसलिए हमें पुराने को लोगों ने पता नहीं राज कितने बार यूज कर चुके, कितना अच्छा मॉडल भी बनाया, लेकिन अभी वो कितनी छोटी चीज़ टाइप्स ऑफ रूफ कई लोगों ने भूल गए, कई लोग एरे भूल गए। ऐसी चीज़ ना हो, इसके लिए ना रिवीजन करते रहें। आज कुछ नहीं करिएगा, बस एक आपने देखा होगा लेक्चर 2 में हमने एक फ्रेम बनाया हुआ है ना आर्ट्स टिकला के अंदर, देखा क्या?
सर वो मैंने बना लिया है सर। वो जेड एक्सिस का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है सर
कोई
उसका।
बात नहीं, मैं उसको क्लियर कर दूंगा। कल हम लोग उसी पर वर्क करने वाले हैं। आज हमें क्या करना है, सेम जो आपने वही बना देखा हुआ है उसी को हमें टेक्ला के अंदर बनाना है। बट ग्रिड थोड़े से ऐसे नहीं होने चाहिए, एक्यूरेट नहीं होने चाहिए, ग्रिड थोड़ा आगे पीछे मतलब कॉम्प्लेक्स हो थोड़ा सा। तो हमें बीम कॉलम्स और फुटिंग्स को ड्रॉ करना है गाइस, बीम कॉलम और फुटिंग को ड्रॉ करना है, विच इज़ यू गेट फ्रॉम द लेक्चर 2। एंड उसको ड्रॉ करने में हार्डली यू विल गेट द 10 to 15 मिनट वर्क्स। ठीक है, इतने में आराम से ड्रॉ हो जाएगा। उसके अलावा एट योर फ्री टाइम जस्ट वॉच द लेक्चर 3। इतना छोटा सा वर्क है फॉर टुडे, दैट इज़ द वन वर्क। ठीक है रहमान, नाउ यू कैन बिलीव।
ओके सर।
ओके जी, तो कैसे बस इतना छोटा सा वर्क ही हमें करना है। लेक्चर 3 वॉच कर लेना, और 2 में जो आपने दिखा ना बीम कॉलम्स फुटिंग को ड्रॉ करना, बस वही ड्रॉ कर लेना है। ठीक है, ड्रॉ थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स ग्रिड पर करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। चलिए जी, नाउ एज पर योर हैंड रेस्ट सॉरी कमेंट्स, देयर इज मिस्टर शुभांकर के बाद है स्नेहाशीष, देन गोविंद।
Good evening, sir.
गुड इवनिंग जी शुभांकर, हाउ मेनी लेक्चर्स यू वॉच इन टेक्ला?
Sir, I have watched 2 lectures.
एंड डिड यू कंप्लीट योर पोर्टफोलियो?
Yeah, sir, it's almost done. Uh, Only last project I am now adding.
How
that.
many in how many companies you applied till now?
Sir, I have applied like 11 to 12 company right now.
11 to 12 companies. Did you get any response from there, any companies?
Yes, sir, I get response from Beam Stream at when I applied, but they didn't call me again, as he takes an interview in call, and he said I have called you for face-to-face interview, but I don't know why he again did not call me.
What are the questions they asked with you on the telephonic rounds?
Sir, they ask about Rabbit and scan to beam. So as I know, whatever I know, I told her.
What do you know about the scan to beam?
Sir, scan to beam, we can capture images from laser scannings and through photogrammetric, and we can put it into the recap software, and then we generate the model in Rabbit.
So what is the use of laser scanner in that?
So laser scanner is basically used for capturing the images of buildings and for scanning.
Capturing the images or scan the?
Sir, scan the buildings.
Okay. What do you say about point cloud?
Sir, point cloud is basically a collection of data, 3D data, which we can put in the software, Rabbit software, and we can generate the model from that.
Call इसलिए नहीं है. There are mistakes. What is the full form of .rcs and .rcp?
.rcs. So full form I don't know, sir.
Okay. What is the use of scan to beam?
Scan to beam. Use of scan to beam. Sir, scan to beam is basically used for when we want to make model of buildings which is exactly there, and we can if we want to change the any types of in building, then we can first scan the buildings and then put it into Revit, and then we make the model. And whatever we want to, we can change different things, or we can renovate the building, then we can do through the scan to BIM process.
Difference between CAD to BIM and scan to BIM.
Sir, CAD to BIM, we can get a drawing file into Revit, and in scan to BIM we can use the .rcp and .rcs file in Revit.
Okay. What is the use of Tikla software?
Sir, Tekla software is used for detailing the 3D models, and we can also get the general arrangement drawings from there.
G drawings from there, right?
GA drawings, sir.
What was about shop drawing?
Sir, shop drawings generally used. Generally, the contractors are used shop drawings for what he want to give details in the that elements of some things like.
Okay जी. Thank you so much शिवांकर. शिवांकर लेक्चर दोनों वॉच कर लिया 1 and 2 टिकला.
Yes, sir.
Very nice, very good.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay जी. Now next is guys as per comment. वैसे guys आप में से जितने लोग भी मॉक दे रहे हैं ये सभी लोग वही हैं जो प्रॉपर डेडिकेटेड है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Now मिस्टर स्नेहाशीष झा जी. मिस्टर स्नेहाशीष के बाद हम लोग गोविंद के पास आएंगे. गोविंद के बाद कोई
Yes,
रह
sir.
गया है तो प्लीज ड्रॉप द मैसेज लाइक नीलेश आपको ड्रॉप करना चाहिए मैसेज. Now Mr. Sneha is ready.
Yes, sir.
Okay, earlier you're busy with something, right?
Yes, sir. Right now I am going for the job change, so I'm kind of puzzled of these things.
Okay, means looking for the job change also.
Yeah, right now I'm in quality engineer position,
Hmm.
and I can going for the Kolpaturu. So I'm kind
Kolpaturu
of
for what?
puzzled. Kolpaturu for the quality engineer position,
Same profile.
same profile.
So what is the problem? Person?
Problem is nothing, sir. Kolpaturu is contact me by my Naukri profile, and they said that they interview me and they said that your profile is match and looking for the good opportunity in the some bigger position, so I can think to go for that.
Okay. So you just left your current job or you just plan?
I'm on notice period.
Notice period. And you have a one offer also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And is there any bond in that offer?
No, and there is no anyone.
Okay. How much percentage of salary growth you get in from first to second job?
Right now my salary is at 3 and Kalpataru offer me 5.
तो हम लोग में percent. Company always
Uh,
refer to us
maybe
per- percent.
40 to 50%.
Yes, yes. So you look for the good opportunity due to your salary is the main priority for you, right? And suppose you got the opportunities in the beam industries in the 30,000 per month. Are you compatible to work
Yeah,
with beam?
because in the beam industry I'm a fresher, sir, and I can start as a freshly. So yeah, that is comfortable for me.
Okay, very good.
Just
What?
my voice is not clear, sir.
Yes, yes, it is. It is. Okay. Okay. What is BIM, Mr. Snehasis?
Beam is a said building information modeling, which is a digital represent of the all the things of the materials. Like, and we can start the research, planning, 2D drafting. We can do it from the same. Is that likely the vast process?
I have two options, three options. One is work from home, one is work from office, one is hybrid. Which one you want to choose and why?
Work from office is good for me because because that is a hybrid location, that is not my hometown. So is that work from office so I can go to the work environment and I can I can go for the bit enhance my two skills in when I work from the office.
Very good. थैंक यू सो मच नेसिस, तैयारी करिए, होपफुली क्या पता आप बीम में भी ऐसी कुछ अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल जाए आपको। एंड पोर्टफोलियो रेडी हो गया है?
पोर्टफोलियो में सर काम चल रहा है थोड़ा सा, क्योंकि एक स्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर मैं काम कर रहा हूँ। और सर मैं थोड़ा अलग से अपने से भी कुछ मतलब मॉडल बना रहा हूँ। तो वो मॉडल क्या मैं वो लिंक्डइन में जो आप बोल रहे हैं कि मतलब कर सकता हूँ क्या नहीं, तो वो एक बार आपको दिखा के अपलोड करूँ क्या?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल चलेगा, बिल्कुल दिखा के करिए, ठीक है, चले। एंड आई थिंक गोविंद इज नॉट देयर, सो विल कम विथ नेक्स्ट पर्सन इज मिस्टर अनिरुद्ध। अनिरुद्ध के बाद कोई रह गया तो प्लीज ड्रॉप द मैसेज। मिस्टर अनिरुद्ध, आर यू रेडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mr. Anirudh is looking for the job. Is there you got any other calls also, Anirudh? Rather than your previous
Yes,
job?
yes, sir. I have called from Beam QP.
Okay.
Uh, so they contact me yesterday.
Study. What they said?
Yes. Sir, actually they're looking for the training VI module. So they called me and they said to me what I know about the VIM. And they told me that but that is one thing that I could not reach their expectation is the salary. They don't give the salary for the 2 months because they giving the training. That's why they are lacking, and I don't prefer that.
And after 2 months,
After 2 months, they said that based on my performance they will give the salary.
based on performance, where is that location?
Inside Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jodhpur, but they are not listed.
Jaipur.
Jabalpur.
Inside Jaipur, Rajasthan. Sir, I don't
This is
check the
Jaipur. This
location.
is Jaipur.
Okay.
How long from your place?
Sir, so I don't know. I don't check actually
Okay.
about.
But the salary was not good. That's why you
Yes, sir.
okay. So you just reject that, or they just reject you.
Sir, I reject them.
Okay. So your statement was to get the good salary, right? Or
Yes,
at
sir.
least not a free.
Sir, actually, yes, yes. That is in the training period. If they give some stipend, then I will definitely go there. But they will not give
At
that.
least we can survive, we can eat, and if
Yes,
we
yes, sir.
call the father and mother ki I need money, so that is not the good practice, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do you think? What are the important skill required? Important software skills as well as concept skill required to get the good or handsome salary in BIM?
Actually, software skill is needed, but more than software, I think there's some communication and some basic things of civil engineering. That's like the pint level and basically of connection in steel structure. There is a connection and some foundation, and the load concept also there is needed. If company needed, then I can provide that also. That is something basics of civil engineering always needed in that in BIM.
What is the density of steel
7,850 kg per meter cube.
and compressor strength of fabric?
Uh, I don't know, sir.
And what cover we provide in column?
Sir, column we provide 40 mm.
Difference between one way slab and two way slab, Mr. Anirudh.
Sir, one way slab, the length breadth is the ratio between the length and breadth is not is less than 2, and two way slab the ratio is greater than 2.
Sure.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Difference between short column and long column.
I don't know.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर। थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर लो क्योंकि चीज़ें थोड़े से कन्फ्यूजन में, जैसे कि वन वे टू वे स्लैब, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा रिवाइज करते रहोगे तो अच्छा रहेगा, और बेसिक्स थोड़ा और एक बार रिकॉल कर लो।
सर एक्चुअली सर मैं वही बारे में सोच रहा था, अगर आप कुछ नोट्स दे सकते हैं जैसे मतलब बेसिक्स के बारे में तो
वैसे
वो
तो
अच्छा
मैंने जो
होता।
दिया हुआ है पहले तो वो अनुरोध पूरा क्लियर कर लो, ठीक है, और मैं दे देता हूँ दो दो तीन नोट्स, तो और भी तुम्हारे प्लस पॉइंट हो जाएंगे। जो मैंने आपको दिया ना 13 पेज का दिया जिसमें सारा इंट्रोडक्शन एंड एवरीथिंग
हाँ
है, उसका
हाँ
लास्ट का
हाँ।
2 पेज तो रट लो पूरा का पूरा, ठीक है।
ओके
मैक्सिमम चीज़ें वहीं कवर हो जाती हैं। कुछ एक्स्ट्रा चीज़ें जैसे कि कॉलम के टाइप, बीम के टाइप्स, मैं इनके नोट्स दे देता
ठीक है, थैंक यू सर।
हूँ। ओके जी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज, कोई रह गया है गाइस? शाकिर मोहम्मद जी।
Yes, sir.
ओके जी। तुम सबसे लास्ट में क्यों मॉक देते हो?
ये यही देखता हूँ बाद में देखता
Okay. So what you learn from today's all the mock?
हूँ। I learned from today mock different types of questions and subject knowledge and interview confusion question.
Okay. So what are the new question you get in today's mock? Did you remember any questions?
Yes, subject related question is a new question. Tekla question and Revit related question. Revit subject related question.
Okay ji. Uh, in Revit architecture, what are the different types of ceilings we can draw?
Ceiling. Automatic ceiling and sketch ceiling. Two types
Okay.
of ceiling are.
Very good. Sketch ceiling and automatic.
Yes,
And in Revit, what is the difference between model line and reference line?
model line.
And reference line.
Uh,
Not remember?
reference yes, sir. Reference line. Uh,
Model line.
sorry sir, I am not remember.
Okay. Uh, how to remove the paint from any members?
Any element, sir?
Yes, any elements.
So first of click modify. After click modify element and remove paint option and click to any paint wall. Click to any wall and element to remove paint.
Okay. Mr. Shakir, how many years you will stay in your company? How many years you will stay in your company? You can say years is not decided by myself for now. If I did not decide the years, I feel if I'll get the growth or academic or sorry, I did the growth in your organization, I will stay here only for the long durations, है ना? तो इस तरीके से हमारे पास एक आंसर्स होना चाहिए। वो सो हॉबी
Sir, my hobby is playing volleyball.
प्लेइंग वॉलीबॉल। ओके जी। एंड हाउ मेनी लेक्चर्स यू वॉच इन टेक्ला?
Sir, 2 lecture was in Tekla.
Very good. And portfolio is done?
Sir, portfolio already almost done. Few projects, few architecture, Revit architecture.
ओके जी, चलो लबा लबा डन है ना?
Yes, sir.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच सर। हाकिर कोशिश करो कि
सर
अप्लाई
ये
करो। बोलो।
अच्छा अप्लाई कर रहा हूँ। सर ये क्वेश्चन का कैसे आंसर देना है वो जो आपने बताया, हाउ मेनी लॉन्ग लास्टिंग
ओके, हाउ मेनी इयर्स यू विल स्टे इन योर कंपनी, राइट? या फिर हाउ मेनी, यस ये ईयर ही पूछेंगे लोग। तो तो आपको सबसे अच्छा आंसर यही करना है कि एज लॉन्ग एज आई विल गेट माई कैरियर ग्रोथ इन योर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन आई विल स्टे हियर ओनली। ठीक है, सो कैरियर ग्रोथ के अकॉर्डिंग डिपेंड करेगा कि मैं कितने साल तक रहूँगा। ठीक है, और कैरियर ग्रोथ के लिए लर्निंग इंपॉर्टेंट है। चलेगा। विश्वजीत जी हैं, विश्वजीत जी आपने अपना माइक ऑन कर सकते हैं।
यस सर।
दिवेश आपका मॉक अच्छा रहा है, बट आज का बहुत अच्छा नहीं हुआ है एज़ कम्पेयर टू योर लास्ट मॉक। ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आप नर्वसनेस था आपके ऊपर, तो अगर उस पर वर्क करेंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। कंपेयर टू प्रीवियस अच्छा नहीं था, बट आप अच्छा कर रहे हैं। ठीक है, ठीक है, मुझे खूब अच्छे से याद रहता है ना। मिस्टर विश्वजीत जी, हाउ मेनी लेक्चर्स यू वाज इन टेक्ला? यू इंस्टॉल योर टेक्ला सॉफ्टवेयर?
Tekla 2 lectures sir.
2 lectures you was in there. What is the use of Tekla software?
Use of Tekla software, detailing of structure.
Detailing of structures. In 2D detailing or 3D detailings?
3D detailing sir.
Difference between 2D detailings and 3D detailings?
3D detailings.
Difference between 2D detailings and 3D detailings?
2D detailings, I can see it's RCDC software, but Tekla and Revit software, we can see the 3D.
Okay. Tekla and Revit is for the 3D detailings, right?
3D detailing, yes sir.
Okay. What is the value of detailings as an engineer?
Value of detailings, any mason or contractor can understand the 3D detailings easily.
What is drawing?
ड्राइंग इंजीनियर के परिभाषा में ड्राइंग ही सब कुछ है। ड्राइंग में ही हम लोग समझता है क्या।
Drawing is language of expressions of the feeling of the engineers, right?
Yes sir.
Yes. And what are the different types of slab we can draw or roof we can draw in Revit?
Slab and roof.
In Revit.
Slab, 2 types slab, one way slab, 2 way slab.
One way slab and two way slab. Difference between one way slab and two way slab?
LY by LX greater than 2 is one way and less than 2 is two way.
Two way. Okay. And what are the types of array in Revit?
Array, polar array, polar rectangle. भूल गया सर, याद नहीं रहा।
कोई बात नहीं, जस्ट थोड़ा सा रिवीजन कर लीजिए, बाकी ओवरऑल आपने अच्छा किया है। ठीक है, अभी आप थोड़ा इम्प्रूवमेंट कंडीशन पे हैं। और टेक्ला में आज ना लेक्चर 3 वॉच करके एक सिंपल मॉडल रेडी कर लीजिए, बस इतना सा कर लीजिएगा। ठीक है जी?
ओके सर।
ओके जी। बाकी लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं, स्पेशली वो लोग अच्छा कर रहे हैं जो गाइस मॉक कंटिन्यू दे रहे हैं, चाहे उसमें अनिरुद्ध हो, चाहे शुभांकर हो, दिवेश हो, और भी जिन्हें लोग हैं, फनीश हैं, शाकिर हैं। आप लोग का तो देखो जॉब तो लगना ही है, आज नहीं कल, बट ऑन टाइम अप्लाई करेंगे तो बेनिफिट आपको ज़्यादा मिलेगा गाइस। ठीक है, कल मैं आपको बेसिक सिविल इंजीनियरिंग के कुछ नोट्स दे दूंगा, जहाँ से सारा बेसिक वैसे जितना दिया उतना पर्याप्त है, पर थोड़ा और एक्स्ट्रा दे दूंगा तो आपके लिए प्लस पॉइंट हो जाएगा। तो मैं कल आपको जहाँ तक दे दूँगा। ठीक है, चलो।